Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a dash cam that's reliable, records in high quality, and doesn't break the bank, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams in 2025, all available on Amazon, all highly rated, and all great for keeping you safe on the road. Let's dive in. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Rovar 2 to 4K Dash Cam. First up is the Rovar 2 to 4K. This one's a fan favorite. It records in ultra clear 4K, has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and it's super easy to set up. The screen is 2.4 inches, and you get a wide 150-degree viewing angle. Plus, it does a great job in low light thanks to its WDR and night vision. Why people love it? Crisp, detailed video even at night. GPS lets you track location and speed. You can download footage straight to your phone. Simple to mount and use. This one's perfect if you want solid image quality and GPS tracking all in one. Number 2. 4K front and rear dash cam with 64GB card. Next is this dual dash cam setup. You get 4K recording in the front, 1080p in the rear, and it even comes with a 64GB memory card, so you're ready to go right out of the box. It connects over 5G HZ Wi-Fi, which means footage downloads faster to your phone using the app. Highlights: dual camera setup, built-in app control, night vision, loop recording, parking mode, 170-degree wide angle. This is a great option if you want complete front and back coverage without paying a premium. Number 3. 3-channel dash cam front, rear, and inside. Now, if you want full coverage inside and out, this 3-channel dash cam is the one to watch. It records the front, rear, and inside of your car, which is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants that extra layer of protection. What you get? 1080p on all 3 cameras. Infrared night vision for cabin recording. Loop recording and motion detection. G sensor and parking monitor. It even comes with a 32GB South Dakota card, which is a nice bonus. Number 4. Compact 4K dash cam, great for minimalists. This next one is a mini 4K dash cam that's super discreet, perfect if you don't want a big device on your windshield. Despite the size, it shoots in 4K, has super night vision, and includes a 64GB card in the box. Why it's awesome? Tiny, low-profile design. Clear night video. Wi-Fi connection for app access. Loop recording, G sensor, and 24-hour parking monitor. If you're into clean setups and want high-res video, this is a solid pick. Number 5. 4K plus 1080p dual dash cam with app control. Last but not least, this dual dash cam gives you 4K in the front, 1080p in the rear, and comes with a 64GB South Dakota card. You also get full app control, night vision, WDR, and 24-hour parking mode, so your car's protected even when it's off. What stands out? 1.5-inch IPS display. 5G HZ Wi-Fi for fast file transfer. 170 degrees wide angle view. Great for road trips and daily driving. It's a complete package, great value, great video, and easy to use. So there you have it, 5 of the best dash cams you can get in 2025. Whether you're commuting, driving for Uber, or just want to protect yourself on the road, these are all solid picks. I've linked all the products down in the description, with updated prices and deals. Feel free to check those out. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're going with. Thanks for watching and drive safe.